First, let me clarify that hardships is a part of life. It's not unique to music. It's not exclusive to the field of music. But the nature of hardships uh, is slightly different. First and foremost, as my first guru, Pandit Jitendra Abhisheki ji, used to say, that if you are comfortable with the situation that your 1 lakh rupees would be converted into 12,000 rupees, लाखाचे 12,000 होतील. If you are comfortable with this situation, then only enter into field of music. Because a kind of ruthlessness is required to survive in the field of music. And this ruthlessness has got nothing to do with the being unemotional or detached. But this ruthlessness is about your own self. Being able to whip yourself all the time. Being able to say that, boss, this is not the end of the world. You need to improve upon yourself all the time. Being a performer, being a teacher, being an interpreter of music, being a commentator of music, you be in any field, being in the technology and music, even if you have made a career option of being an instrument maker in music, all these areas would require constant update of skills, update of information, update of knowledge, and also that adds to the update in insight. So you have to be ready for that. You have to be doing your own practice riyaz every day without fail. That is a prerequisite, and that is very hard, mind you. Being consistent in the riyaz or practice is very, very difficult. For a simple reason that doing riyaz means doing the same thing again and again. And we do not like to do same thing again and again. We get bored. And in this today's very fast paced world, repetitions are not really interesting to the children. So you need to devise and design and evolve new strategies to tackle this problem.